In this video, I'm gonna share with you how to do income from online, how to earn money on online. It's not easy to do. Everywhere earn money, making money, it's somewhat hard. So you need to give some time. You need to take some time for making you money. So therefore, you have to have some social media, fresh social media for your business related. So like I have started my uh, business like 1 month 2 month ago, and today I will show that you can do that same. But I haven't client yet, but one client I have, but who is Mrs. Myriad. So and you need to right now, you need to understand that uh, it's take some time. It might take 1 year, 2 year, 3 year, but you have to have consistency, and you have to have patience, and never bored, never tired about that. So first of all, if I go my social media sector, here we say Twitter, Discord, Instagram, Facebook, and TikTok. And next those are I not uses right now, who without Gmail and WhatsApp for messaging people. And if I go my Twitter, here we say my business account, grow your business. So it takes some time, sorry for that. And today I have posted this post. So each day I do one post for getting client. Today's post is being about related YouTube automation, making money on YouTube within 5 months or immediately, not easy. And if you don't hire people for working your YouTube channel, then getting money from YouTube would be hard. Hire people and fire your income. So I'm just imply here that hire me. I mean, I mean, I mean, buy my package, YouTube automation package, and given me money. So what should I do when I get client? That client my okay. I'm going to next section. Here we say my package. Student 998 month, professional 2498 month, and entrepreneur $4,998 month. So if I get client, I, I just what should I do? I just maintain her YouTube channel, her or him YouTube channel, her video edit. So here is my package, that if I get client and I just hire cheaper people, and I'm given money like $10 freelancer, $10 $20 for editing, thumbnail designing, all of sort of thing. And I'm taking money. If a student buy my package 990, and I pay cheaper freelancer $10, I get money this type of amount, a crazy type of amount I get from my client. So boom, like if I pay all of things like video editing, thumbnail designing, all of YouTube related things, just $100 if I cover, and I get a crazy amount money from my client. This is my business. If I get a client, there would be a high margin of profit. So, and this is my Twitter look like. And if I go another social media like Discord, here is my some server like YouTube related, and I'm going to service. Sarva, and here I I had posted this post. So you just post in this here, a lot of people knock here, message you, so like you can get immediate that. So and you just join, you just search on Google YouTube related Discord server, and you join there and post your job, that business related post that you post on every social media at the time. And go my Instagram. Here is my Instagram. Today's I have posted, and that post that I post same way all of social media that I have. And here is my post, latest post, YouTube automation, and here is my caption, same caption. I'm just copy and paste here. And next is a Facebook. And if I, oh sorry, I posted same way on Facebook, grow your business account. So if I go TikTok, here I have posted same way. And if you see my post, latest post, so you will be brought up. So this is my latest post. I'm just posting that in sort of graphic way, and I'm hoping I will get some client from this type of post, because of I have consistency and I never stop that. I will work continually. If my work is not good, I never give up those type of thing. I will do continuously, because quantities come from qualities come from quantity. If you do something massive way, you gain experience from them. So I have posted a lot of thing. So like I started few months ago, I said that it's a little bit post here. So all of social media same, and I have just 8 follower. And if I go any other social media, you can see all of same thing. And yeah, you just create account, like you know that how to create Twitter. So you just create Twitter, your business related way. I'm showing you, like you want to create business account, so you need to go Twitter, and here is a Twitter account. So create an account, go to there, and you need to create an account, English, next, and wait few minutes. And name, like if you have any business name, you just put it on here. Like I want, like you want you want to start you want to start managing social media, like virtual assistant. So you just put on there uh, like virtual assistant available. So a number, here you put number or email, whatever you want, and here is a date of birth, and click on next, and account created done. And you need to just do continuously post on Twitter, and never port, never tired about that, because of it takes some time. Nothing happen immediately, nothing happen automatically. You need to do something, and therefore it's would be happen. So if you if you not if you don't know how to create Discord, how to create Instagram, how to create Facebook, you just search on YouTube, and you get a lot of video about that tutorial, how to create all of social media thing, and you can get that easily. And yeah, you post is continuously, never bored, never quiet. And I'm hoping you will get client, not immediately. It takes some time. When you get client, never stop that. You get continuously those type of thing. So I haven't client yet, so i'm just assuming I'm just assuming that I will get client immediately, soon, so soon. And therefore I'm just recording this video for starting my audience for their agency. So that's it. See you later. Until that, happy hunting.